Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and so that's the home screen, and just click to the plus icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the third option, the create new folder, and you can add the name to your folder, and you can select a color for that, and if you finish, click the confirm button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.